Welcome to Mum Core channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Today, I'm excited to show you how to make my delicious beef pears recipe. Here are the ingredients: bay leaves, whole black pepper, fried garlic, black pepper powder, brown sugar, ground ginger, soy sauce, cornstarch slurry, salt, vinegar, oyster sauce, soy sauce, garlic, green scallions, and onions. Before we start cooking the beef pears, let's begin by preparing the beef stock. In a large pot, add 1 pound of beef bones and 1 pound of beef short ribs along with 4 cups of water. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of whole black pepper, 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, 1 quartered onion, and 3 cloves of smashed garlic for flavor. Add 2 stalks of celery and 2 stalks of green scallions. Heat the stock until it reaches a boil. Then reduce the heat and simmer for 2 to 3 hours or until the meat on the bones becomes tender. Skim off any foam as it forms on top. Once done, set aside. Now, let's move on to cooking the beef pears. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil over medium heat. Add 1 onion minced, and 5 cloves of garlic minced. Sauté until translucent. Add the 2 pounds of beef chuck to the pan. Stir well. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and 3 bay leaves. Then add 1 tablespoon of whole black pepper. Mix everything together. Add 2 tablespoons of the cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. Mix well until evenly coated. Add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Mix well. Pour in about 2 cups of the beef stock that we prepared earlier. Add the rest of the cornstarch slurry. Bring the mixture to a simmer and cook for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until the beef is tender and the sauce has thickened to your desired consistency. Serve the beef pairs with garlic rice and a side of the beef broth. Garnish with 2 tablespoons of fried garlic and chopped green scallions. Enjoy your homemade beef pairs. If you found this recipe easy to follow, hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Stay updated by following me on social media. Thanks for watching.